Hey everybody, you have landed on the Rally Fab YouTube channel. Today we're going to change it up and do an unboxing from a special project that I am doing, and this is from Techno Toys Tuning. So I purchased the 4 and 5 lug hubs for the S14. That is an actual bigger bearing than the actual S13 stuff usually is. So this is a 4 to 5 lug hub. So that meaning that it's going to have 4 by 114 and then 5 by 114. So you can use it for more common sizes, especially, and the end goal that I'm going to be using it for is the 5 lug, so that I can get more of a rally tire and all the rims that are available, and it's easier to kind of search the used market for those. They have an option of extended hubs and standard hubs. But the first part where I'm going to be running it, I'm going to run a 4 lug, so I'm going to need the smaller stud so that I can run converters, because I'm going to be running my 4 by 108s. And then eventually I will go to the 5 lug once I do a whole rear axle swap and everything is done. And then from that, I don't have to change my bearings. I'm actually going to get brake discs that are the same, where it's a 4 to 5 lug brake disc. So once I actually do the conversion, I can just take the stud out, switch them, and then put an extra one in, and I'll be done. I don't have to re-get bearings and do all that, because I'm going to eventually do that very soon. So let's get started. So the first part that comes is, you'll see that it comes with some stickers. Got a Techno Toys Tuning sticker, and then it's a build something awesome, which I am trying to do. Alright, so we got 2 boxes right here that are going to be your wheel hubs. So this is actually the S14 wheel bearing and wheel hub that they convert for the S13 knuckles and all that geometry. So this is it. I can give you a closer look. So see, I got it with the shorter studs on it. You can actually get them with the longer ones. It's a free charge thing. It actually has the ABS sensor on the back. So these are the hubs. And again, same thing with the other one. You get 2 with this kit. And the last piece of the puzzle is the hub adapter hardware that basically goes from an S13 to S14. So what you're going to get is the castle nut, the special machined washers, also the machine spacer that goes onto your S13 knuckles, so that you can run an S14 because they are bigger. And 2 cotter pins. So the reason I did this is because I needed a bigger wheel bearing for the car that I'm going to be running on. And when I purchased my knuckles, I did not get a castle nut or a washer. So I started looking around for options, because I just got the knuckles and I got ones that were already modified for angle. So I was looking around, and eBay, they wanted like 40 bucks for the little nut, and not a lot of people had these locally. And for the price, for a bigger wheel bearing and everything, if I were to just go on eBay and purchase the 4 lug hubs, they were actually around like 100 bucks or like 70 bucks. And then once you add in the castle nuts that people are selling on there, the washers, redo the bearings because they're probably old. I mean, their S13 is, you know, 1989. It just made sense to just buy everything brand new, and having a bigger bearing was what I was going for, because I'm going to be using this on a rally car. So I want the biggest bearing. It's going to be tough. It's actually a sealed bearing, which I'm going from an open bearing right now, where everything's exposed and I just have small dust shields. Here's some of the stickers and shit. Build something awesome. And Techno Toys Tuning. So this came out, so the price that they sell it at, that I bought it at, was $220. This is no sponsorship. I'm just kind of unboxing these because not a lot of people have videos on the internet about these, and I wanted to, if somebody is looking at it, kind of wanted to know what it came with. It's a little more better explained than just looking at the website. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, you can probably guess what I'm doing with S13 Hubs when I'm making videos about a Rally Capri. I think all the people that have kind of seen the last two videos, I'm really building this car up, and the front suspension will be torn apart pretty soon. And I'm going to go into further detail in the next video about what I'm all doing to this. So the reason I heard about Techno Toys Tuning is my Rally Capri has coilovers from them. And I love their quality. They're a really good product. Again, this video is not sponsored. I'm just an enthusiast that likes their products. And you've probably seen on the internet, a lot of people like their products. They're really, really well made and engineered. So the reason why I'm going with these hubs is I'm doing a special project on the Capri to basically bring it up to what the Escorts in the UK are kind of doing, with bigger wheel bearings, a WRC modular suspension. This is the cheaper and easier way for me to go in the States to achieve that goal. And I think documented, this will kind of be the first videos on YouTube where it's going to be a S13 front suspension. So guys, if you like what you see, please tune in and see what I do to the front end. If you guys are S13 fans and want to give me some more snippets on the S chassis, you can, correct facts that I have too. Drop a comment, drop a like. Subscribe to the channel. That chassis is new to me. I'm a rally guy, and I just want to make this car fun to go sideways in the dirt.